Hello, this is Derek. Say hi, Derek. Today, Derek has to watch a work-mandated video about camera movements. Right, Derek? Now that everything is set up and Derek has his snacks, please pay attention, and let's begin. The first of the three camera movements is the dolly, which moves forward and backward. Here, dollying in is actually being used to focus your attention on something that was in frame but previously smaller. It could also be used to make a movement feel or seem more impactful. It could also be used to replicate the view of someone, sneaking up on someone else maybe even scaring them. Another thing the dolly is good for is for emphasizing objects moving in and out along with the dolly. For example, scooting in a chair. The second one is the truck. It moves left and right. The truck can reveal, accentuate, focus, etc. All movements can be used for all these things and more, but the truck is especially useful specifically on the x-axis. Like if your subject moves in parallel with your truck, and your scene gets darker and darker, it can reveal a completely different emotion than originally presented in the first few moments of your shot. It's actually really cool. Then you can use it to almost put a blinder on by trucking right behind something solid and trucking back left to reveal a completely newfound emotion. And finally, you can just follow a motion like walking or even running.
Welcome back to Common Sense Corner, where I'm going to teach you how to look busy.
You want to look up something?
Derek, stop messing with the knob.
Doesn't look like you're looking at something
sorry about that.
interesting. Contestant number 2.
Thanks to Derek, we're now on our last movement with the crane, which goes up and down or on the y-axis. Another thing you can do is play inside the frame by not moving too far, like showing eye movement. You can also do something like follow an object as someone picks it up and it goes up and is placed on a shelf or some other type of table. One last thing you can try is conveying your subject's emotion, like some type of hero who just introduced himself to a bad guy. Derek.